Hello everyone, welcome to Safi Tuts, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to download and install Telegram for desktop in Windows and PC. Okay, so you can see this is the laptop homepage. So you have to go here, tap here to search, and search here Microsoft Store. So Microsoft Store, and go here, and then you will see this is like that, and simply click here Telegram desktop. So you can see Telegram for desktop. So here are many things. So simply click on get. Once you click on get, then it takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.